one of my client services directors, he calls it a project lead or a project driver. So a project manager schedules tasks, manages manages a timeline, manages a budget, schedules meetings, makes sure that tasks are completed. And that is a very important role, but that is not going to be enough for an ERP project. For a project that is this all-encompassing and has this much of an impact on organization, you need someone who is really going to drive the project. So that means really having, not just are we on time, are we on budget, have we met our milestones, but building those relationships, taking a look at how this initiative is impacting the organization. One of the other things to think about, especially in regards to your core team, and it's going to come back to the project manager, I promise. One of the things we say is you want to start the way you want to finish. So when you pull folks to do a project like this, whether it's the project manager themselves or members of the core team, let's say that this is 1.5 to 5 years of their life. What happens in 1.5 or 5 years? Do they go back to their day job? Is it going to still be there for them? Or do they shift from being on the core team for this project and to creating and maintaining a center of excellence where the business processes are maintained, where or upgrades are managed, where data is managed, where business decisions are managed, so that when you first implement, the functional needs of the organization and the functional capability of the systems are 100% in alignment at the point that you go live. Well, so then let's say the software has an upgrade and you take it or you don't take it. Then let's say the organization acquires a new entity or opens up a new business unit. So what if you don't have a very intentional management, you can very quickly get a separation between the functional needs of the organization and the functional fit of your ERP system. So that center of excellence or that project manager, a role post-implementation can be to make sure you keep those things in alignment.